Welcome to Mandara Loft. This is the Indian River Club down here, and I got some birds for sale out of my loft. These are my birds. The next lot. I sold all the other ones right after I put them on. These are two hens. I really need hens, but I got too many breeders. Okay, this is a Scion. She's a straight Scion. Get close on that eye so you can see the eye on it. I bred her. I got a silver youngster. She's got an excellent wing. You see the three end tips up. It's nice and tight. She's got an excellent body. Asking 40 for these. Blue bar Scion. And this is a Hubin. I just bred her young ones. They're in the other loft. Again, beautiful eye sign. And this is a Hubin. See, my flights are nice and high. Almost like a chocolate grizzle something. It started off almost white. I guess it would be considered a stepper. Because it's getting darker as it's getting older. And she is last year's bird. That's last year's bird. Actually, they're late hatches. They almost made... this is 19, yeah. They would have almost made this team. Too late. Hubin. There you go. You pay for the shipping. You pay for the box. This is a box I had from when I bought birds. But I prefer you to send me your box. And you pay the shipping both ways then. And that's it. So 40. It would be $80 if somebody took two of them. Plus the shipping. Number 772-562-5074. And Alex will put in my cell phone because I don't know it. And that's what I have for this week. Blue bar, Scion, Grizzle, Hubin. No paperwork. I don't write pedigrees. I get birds from one guy or another guy, put them together, and I put them in my book. That's it. Okay, that's it for today. Come on down. We're looking for flyers. Join the IRC club. We're between Cocoa and West Palm. Did you get your ticket? I'm waiting.